Wildlife filmmaking is a booming industry. People everywhere are being shown nature's greatest spectacles without leaving the comfort of their own homes.
But they're so spectacular, they seem alien to the likes of myself, or any of us, or any of you. There's a disconnect.
These films spend time, money and effort bringing surreal experiences to our screens. But are they missing the point?
We're here to help you appreciate your connection to nature and understand the importance of it, no matter where you live.
We're going to show you ways to get out there and enjoy the outdoors, as well as show you some amazing spectacles much, much closer to home.
Welcome to Second Nature.
So we're in prime deer country right now. Stalking two white-tailed deer.